Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Soccer Manager 2026 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are logged in and taken into the store page, just click on the search box. And now you can type in Soccer Manager 2026 to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Play Game or the Add to Library button, and this will be added to your Steam library. You can then click on the Play option to begin the download and installation. Now just choose your install location, and once you click on the Install button, the installation will begin. And once it is done, you may start enjoying the Soccer Manager 2026 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Soccer Manager 2026. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.